78 Santosh Trophy ni tournament champion wngkha Manipur ni bodol Karakshal Umakanta mini stadium Shahazag match 2-0 goal rui Tripura haste no match and recapla wngkha Manipur Santosh Trophy ni final round thai shnam ka Manipur match ni paithako ground phai manja ka haste ni montri okra Dr. Manik Shah te thung montri Tinku Roy khungni bodol ni players rokno kahamte hamsamaya farka montri okra haste ni bodol kablai inglia fano kahamno thangka ni shaka haste ni bodol tournament kaham karangni bisingteino angmani bagino TFA ni president Pranab Sarkar no khobaino TFA ni jotoni samangkhlai rogno hambaya farka montri okra Dr. Manik Shah
Santosh Trophy 2024-25 have been held in Tripura after 2018. It is really a very good news, and for the players of Tripura and for the lovers of football fraternity, they were looking forward to witness these games, and I am sure from 15th of this month, this Santosh Trophy 2024-25 have been started, and today it is over. And in final, there was a game between Manipur and Tripura. No problem, Tripura has lost, but I heard that they had a very good fight against Manipur, and I congratulate both of the teams, and specifically the Manipur team. I also congratulate all the others, these participants from Northeastern region, and I think this events have been very well managed by our Tripura Football Association, and I would like to give thanks to them, and I would like to give thanks to the President, Santosh Sarkar, and his full team.
Ashali match phai manja pheka shikra thangtang beding director Shote Bartanath Tripura Football Association ni president Pranab Sarkar secretary Amit Chaudhary no khobi kobini adongrok Bureau report Kokkhara